Wow, look at this yummy, yummy leg.
The first one.
Oh,
Finally arrived.
eggplant, yeah. Eggplant with veg. And it's October 3rd. We left like 3 weeks before we left China. Those guys downstairs, they're doing COVID tests. See, in this beautiful Qingdao city, we still have to do COVID test every 4 days. And if you don't do that, you won't be able to visit like shopping malls or hospitals. You won't be able to use subway, which is quite annoying. We have this WeChat application in China, which is everywhere. It shows how many days ago we did the test. Right now it shows 1 day. You know, I'm gonna miss so many things about Qingdao city and about China generally, but I'm pretty sure I will not miss this stupid annoying. I'm going to play pool with Sean for 1 or 2 hours. So deal, after 2 hours you're gonna be ready, okay? Okay, bye bye. By the way, do you remember Sean? It's a guy we went to that secret place in the mountains. Go. Today we're gonna play pool for 2 hours, maybe 1 hour. Weather broadcast says right now it's raining. So it's just a matter of time and it's gonna rain here, and I'm afraid if it starts raining, it's not gonna be just a light rain, it's gonna pour in here, like yesterday. 你好，我想要一个。好嘞。谢谢你。Alright, it is raining. I'm hiding under the tree. Come on, look at that. Qingdao, what the hell is going on with your weather? Alright, this is the place where we're supposed to meet with Sean. Precisely over here. Alright, he replied me, he said he's under this this bridge right there. Hi, this is my camera today. My camera is here.
How are you?
I'm good, it's wet.
Nice try. Beautiful. Ooh. Oh, here. It's going.
Yeah. This is the best billiard game I ever seen, you know. I got rice for us, man.
I can use cacida, you can use spoon.
Like it?
Amazing.
What's up, biatch?
What's up, biatch?
This is Hussein.
He never texted, he never called.
It's the last game.
Okay.
See what I'm doing with my glove? It means it's the last game, very important. Hussein, how do you feel after you changed work?
Feeling so relaxed.
I feel so relaxed too.
Every single day he was just counting counts, like 2 days now, 1 day now.
Let's go?
Yeah.
It's time.
Bye.
Bye. Just remember one thing, I just have one arm I can hold myself, okay? COVID line, look at this, how many people, it still goes that way.
See you, right?
Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow we can
See ya.
make some.
Bye.
Bye.
You did the test?
Yeah.
How long did you wait?
40 minutes, I think.
Or you wanna go home or you wanna go to the beach? You need to decide right now.
I don't know.
So we decided to have dinner right now with Sean and his wife. A special dinner which is lamb leg barbecue, right?
Yes.
It's all the night outside but people still standing in a line to do the COVID test. I made a video about things I'm gonna miss. You watched that video, yeah?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what you're gonna miss? Like 2 or 3 things, maybe one thing?
The first thing, the barbecue we used to have, that one definitely I will miss.
You mean the huntun with chicken?
Yes, never I will
Okay,
have.
okay.
A second one, donkey meat.
Not food. Anything else you're gonna miss in Qingdao
Probably
City?
no. Only food.
I also like try different
Are
food,
you
but
sure? Once my mom fried bugs for you.
bugs.
Yes. Cacida.
That's not food.
It's food for us. It's food. Crispy, yummy
Is
food.
it here?
Yeah, it's here.
Alright, we are right. This is the place. Oh. If it's possible, it's okay. So it looks like they're gonna arrange a tent for us outside that we can see, which is great because it's quite impossible to breathe inside. We asked this guy to arrange tent for us.
What's up?
Jack Sparrow. So far this mission is quite successful. Rain stopped. We found a place to sit. And this guy's quite friendly. Wow.
Is this lamb?
Yeah, lamb-like.
Look at this. Just so we slice it and fry it over there.
There we go. The first one.
Why is it?
It's really good. And it's very good choice to sit outside because all this smoke. Oh,
Finally arrived.
this eggplant, yeah. Eggplant with vegetables. Use a spoon like a knife. We have baked potatoes, yeah.
Yeah. Here we go.
Yeah. You know how to eat this, huh? Very delicious.
Very cool. Jesse can do everything.
Yeah. Sure. So this is
Seafood. bean.
Seafood bean, yeah.
Why don't you guys go next year?
Next year.
Yeah.
We planned last year a piece of octopus. I mean, mom's still saying some bad words about Arab because you don't teach me Chinese, she thinks it's your fault.
Oh man!
And I'm like, yeah.
Her parents pushing her and
Hell is
talking to me. You have to learn Chinese.
My mom think a little bit further. My mom just, when you're gonna have kids.
My mom also calling me like, hey, you have any good news for me?
So, but I really have big family. October 15th, next
Yeah,
week.
he told me your mom's birthday.
Yeah, gonna be 100 person over there. 100 people over there.
And last time we went to her village, you know what happened? There was a motorbike, a big like kind of truck, but 3 wheels. And guy was running, he saw me, he stopped looking at the road and he was looking at me like this. And there
What
will
are you
be
doing? You will hit someone.
100 people like this. They will look at me and I will bring my camera, I will record all of this stuff. And people will look at foreigner in the village with a camera. So we married on June 5th, 2020, yeah.
Yeah.
June 5th. And these guys here married the same day, the same year, the same time.
Yes.
We didn't know each other at that time, but we married the same day, the same year, almost the same time, about lunchtime, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, lunchtime. And then I called you at night. You said I'm having anniversary dinner. I said, what the heck? So am I.
Was it delicious?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. We're gonna go this way, we're gonna go this way.
Alright.
We're gonna go home. It's a little bit chilly.
See you later.
Alligator. What are you doing there?